The latest performance information on Samsung's forthcoming smartphones comes from the internet benchmarking site Geekbench. The most recent listing contains the entry-level Galaxy S24 with 8GB of RAM and an Exynos 2400 chipset, as well as the 2011 single-core and the 6086 multi-core models. Previously, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, scored 2234 on single-core and 6807 on multi-core. This isn't a straight comparison of the performance of the Exynos and Snapdragon. It's fair to expect that the S24 will have the lowest benchmark score in the portfolio. One of the major limiting factors will be its tiny size, which will impose thermal constraints on the chipset that the bigger S24 Ultra can overcome. That the historical distinction between Exynos and Snapdragon validates the Samsung community's worries. The Galaxy S24 handset release is still a few months away, giving Samsung's engineers time to optimize the handset and tweak its performance. This is important because many Samsung fans will be disappointed that the Galaxy S24 will ship in a number of territories with the Exynos 2400 chipset as the only option. Previous Galaxy S handsets that offered either Samsung's Exynos or Qualcomm's Snapdragon demonstrated that the latter choice provided higher performance and longer battery life. Because each retail zone only offered one choice, many Samsung consumers felt compelled to purchase a handset with subpar performance. In contrast to 2023, when the current Galaxy S23, 23 Plus, and S23 Ultra ship entirely with Snapdragon, assuring consistent performance throughout the globe, Samsung will mix up the silicon flavors for 2024 on the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, with the Exynos 2400 debut earlier this month. The top-tier Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to ship only with Snapdragon. If Samsung can calibrate the handsets to exhibit comparable performance between Exynos and Snapdragon, it has the ability to reset expectations surrounding the varied handset combinations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.